G'day, it's fugitive Australian journalist Shane Delling from the website kangaroocourtofaustralia.com. Now, the house of YouTuber Friendlyjordies was set on fire last night, and it's the second time in last week it's been set on fire, or was firebombed a week ago. So it's definitely deliberate. It's no accident. If it had just been a one-off, well, you might write it off as an accident. But given that it was set on fire last week, or firebombed last week, it obviously didn't catch on too much. Otherwise, the fire brigade would have been called last week. Well, maybe they were. But last night, quite a bit of damage was done. Now, the house is also at the back of another house. It's been subdivided, the property. So the fact that it's at the back of another house, and twice in the last week it's been set on fire, or attempted to, tells you it's deliberate and a very targeted attack. So you start to look for potential people who would have had a motive to set the house on fire, to obviously try and intimidate Friendlyjordies. But his lawyer, Xenophon Davis, has put out a statement confirming it was Friendlyjordies' house, so let's have a read of that. Now, you can see in that statement they're talking about it being attempted homicide and also terrorism. Now, the fact that Friendlyjordies, or Jordan Shanks is his real name, his lawyers are talking about attempted homicide, well, that really comes down to the mindset of the people who tried to set it on fire or burn the house down. If they knew Friendlyjordies wasn't there, well, then it's probably attempted arson to burn the house down. But if they thought he was home, well, then it is attempted homicide, obviously. Now, the likely suspects, or some of the likely suspects, I think there's probably quite a long list, is the Al-Madine family. Friendlyjordies has been writing about them recently. Their involvement in the Coronation Property Group, who employed the former New South Wales Deputy Premier John Barilaro over the last 6 months or so. So they would have to be a suspect, the Al-Madine family. Also, John Barilaro, the former New South Wales Deputy Premier, he obviously has a severe hate for Friendlyjordies. He's made false complaints to the New South Wales Police to have the New South Wales Police to falsely charge Christo Lanka, who was a producer for Friendlyjordies. So John Barilaro can't be ruled out. And then there's also the New South Wales Police. They can't be ruled out either. There's a Detective Sergeant Matthew McQueen, who I understand is currently suspended after Friendlyjordies highlighted that he was coaching witnesses. Detective Sergeant Matthew McQueen also falsely arrested Christo Lanka, which Friendlyjordies has been highlighting over the last sort of 12 months since it happened. So there's obviously a number of suspects there, and I really worry about the fact that the New South Wales Police are investigating, because Friendlyjordies have been highlighting a lot of corruption by the New South Wales Police. And I wrote about it back in March in an article where I highlighted that New South Wales Police, it was raised in Parliament in relation to the coaching of witnesses, which is a Friendlyjordies article. Also, the New South Wales Police trying to intimidate a lawyer, and also the dropping their charges against Friendlyjordies. So I'll read the introduction of the article out to you. The article was published on March 17, 2022, and the title is New South Wales Police Corruption. Police intimidating a defence lawyer walk free, Friendlyjordies stitch-up, and video of police coaching witnesses. Now, it starts off, New South Wales police corruption is out of hand. In the video below, you will see evidence of police stalking and intimidating a defence lawyer on his way to court, being protected. Video of powerful prima facie evidence of Detective Sergeant McQueen coaching witnesses in court and outside the court. The star of the video is New South Wales Attorney General Mark Speakman, ducking and weaving, trying to avoid responsibility and trying to sweep the police corruption under the carpet, as he is questioned at the New South Wales Parliament's budget estimates for 2021-2022. YouTuber Friendlyjordies also gets mentioned in the below video as police dropped their beat-up charges against his producer Christo Lanka last week for stalking former New South Wales Premier John Barilaro. Friendlyjordies also broke the story a couple of days ago about Detective Sergeant Matthew McQueen, who also stitched up Christo Lanka coaching witnesses in another matter. Possibly the worst thing about the video is during the last 10 minutes when Attorney General Mark Speakman covers up for police who organise themselves to harass and intimidate a defence lawyer before court, and when the Law Enforcement Conduct Commission, who investigate complaints against police, recommended action against the police, the then Police Commissioner Mick Fuller did nothing but warn them not to do it again. So that's our article from March this year. But Friendlyjordies is at the centre of a lot of it, because they've been highlighting obviously the police corruption, and the police are harassing them, but also the links between Al-Madine and Coronation Property Group, who employed the former New South Wales Deputy Premier. So Friendlyjordies got quite a few enemies there, but I've got a real concern that the fact that New South Wales police are currently investigating when some of their own police could be potential suspects in the arson. Really, they should be calling in police from interstate to investigate, I believe. It was only yesterday the New South Wales police were filmed assaulting Danny Lim, an activist, for the second time, and falsely arresting him for the third time, although apparently they did drop off from charging him yesterday after they assaulted him. They thought better of charging him. So the New South Wales police have a long history of harassment, assaulting people they don't like, doing anything and everything. And it must be remembered there's a arrest warrant in New South Wales issued for my arrest. Corrupt judicial officers who are being protected by a corrupt New South Wales police force. And they're too scared at the moment, I believe, to arrest me or have me arrested by the Queensland Police because it'd all spill out in the Queensland court, all the corruption that I'd produce, all the evidence of the corruption, when I fought extradition to New South Wales. So I believe they're too scared to arrest me at the moment. I'm certainly not hiding. You can go through all my videos for the last 6 to 12 months where I introduced myself as a fugitive Australian journalist, and I've written articles about it too. So I'll keep on following up on the Friendlyjordies matter, but I've got real doubt about the New South Wales police fully investigating it or investigating it properly. Other than that, please share this video on Facebook and Twitter, etc. And if you're watching on YouTube, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for your time and have a good day.